Today we're taking on a new DIY project and designing our own cool and decorative floating tea lights with the help of our vase filler kit from Junkin. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need. It comes with a bag of white and pink plastic pearls, a baggie of water gel beads, and a handful of tea lights. To get started, all you need is a clear vase, jar, or something to hold your design. I'll be using these mason jars to get some cool reflections in the glass. First, pour in your bag of water gel beads. Then add water. They're going to consume the water and expand quite a bit, so give yourself room for overflow. Once they finish growing, it's time to add the pearls. The water beads filled my jar quite a bit, so I poured some out into a second one and used it to mix the pearls unevenly as I filled it back up. The water beads help lift up the pearls and help them float in place. And I think it looks pretty cool. Then, you want to top off your creation with one of the provided tea lights. And lastly, light the wick and watch your floating pearl tea light creation come alive. The dancing light reflects off the water beads and the whole jar sparkles and shimmers in the light. And I just love the way it looks. The kit came with more than enough beads to make 2 tea light decorations, and it gave me plenty of tea lights to keep using these for many hours to come. These can be great for parties, events, or even setting the mood at home. They're pretty cool to look at, and knowing that I crafted it makes it all the cooler. Not to mention, I'll take any chance I can get to play with Orbeez or these water gel beads. They're so much fun to play with and watch them expand to the jar that they're in. Every chance I get to use them, I always have a good time. So if you'd like to get a kit for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go watch the light from my candle flicker throughout my office. See ya.